You want to use these valve covers, or do you have your new ones yet?
I've got the new ones, but I still want to engrave the Conti custom.
Awesome.
And Stroker, 461.
Now, the intake looks like I'll probably have to. I'll have to get some of that acidy cleaner to get it right again. Is this done? Okay, now?
Yeah, it's recording.
All right, I got the key on. You synced up?
Okay.
Whoa! Damn, I'm good.
It's going between 12 and 13 degrees.
It should do that. It's going to do a little bit of advance, so.
We're at 178 on the temperature, 180.
What I want to do, I'm going to shut it off. What I'm going to end up doing, I'll put everything back on, make sure that fan situation is under control, because I don't think I have all the wires hooked up properly. So I don't want to get too hot. So I'm going to shut it off. And then I'm going to get I need to get all that wiring stuff straightened out. But I need to do that, and I want to get the transcooler.
Here. And we can probably hook up the air cleaner.
Yeah, but like I say, my main thing right this second, I want to make sure that we get the fan situated and the transcooler in.